Good day mga ka-geeks, it's me again, Teacher Ramil, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss finding the sum of n terms of a geometric sequence. Good day, in this video, we will discuss the sum of the n terms of a geometric sequence. Now, how to find the sum of the first n terms of a geometric sequence. In order for us to identify or to find the sum of the first n terms of a geometric sequence, we are going to use the formula S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times quantity 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r, wherein S sub n stands for the sum of the first n terms, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and r is the common ratio. Now, let us study this example. We are asked to find the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric series 2, 4, 8, and so on. Using the formula S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times quantity 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r, let us identify the given in this example, wherein we are asked to find the S sub n or the sum of the first 5 terms. A sub 1 is 2, n is equal to 5, obviously because we have 5 terms, and r is the common ratio that is equal to 2. In your previous lesson, you have learned how to find the common ratio of a geometric series. Now, if you want to check if the common ratio is correct, you have to divide 4 by 2. You will get 2 as the ratio. Or maybe you can try dividing 8 by 4, then you will have 2 as the ratio. Since the ratios are the same, then the common ratio of this geometric series is 2. Now, let us proceed. Using the formula S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times quantity 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r, let us substitute all the value, finding S sub n is equal to 2. 2 is the value of a sub 1 times 1 minus 2 raised to 5. 5 is the value of n all over 1 minus 2, wherein 2 is the common ratio. Now, let us simplify this equation as S sub n is equal to 2 times 1 minus 32. 32 is obtained by simplifying 2 raised to 5 or multiplying 2 5 times by itself, all over 1 minus the value of r, that is 2. Now, let's proceed. Now, let us simplify this equation. S sub n is equal to 2 times negative 31. Where did we get negative 31? Negative 31 is obtained by subtracting 1 and 32. That is 1 minus 32 equals negative 31, all over 1 minus 2. Simplifying the equation, we can write it as S sub n is equal to negative 62. That is actually the product of 2 and negative 31 over negative 1. Negative 1 is obtained from 1 minus 2. Now, dividing negative 62 and negative 1, we can have our S sub n is equal to 62. Therefore, the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric series given in this example is 62. I hope you learned something from this video. Follow for more videos. Thank you and goodbye.